Hey guys, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing today? Want to welcome you to my channel, and I'm here to share some of my thrifted treasures from my Florida trip. This is day number 5. So yesterday I went to the flea market in Eustis, and there was one lady there. It's small this time of year because this flea market kind of, it goes all year round, but when you get into like closer to December, there's a lot of like snowbirds and tourists that come down and sell their wares at the flea market here. So at this time of year it's kind of small, but there was one lady there that had a bunch of vintage goodies, so I had fun in her little area and bought everything you see right here from her. So I'll just show you what I got real quick. So this was from yesterday. I found this little box of fish playing cards, and so the box is in the shape of a fish, and then inside, if I can figure out how to open this, there we go, there's little cards. This has never been opened, so I'm going to leave it closed for now, but they're little playing cards in this shape right here, and on here it looks like little like waves in red, yellow, and blue, and then the fish, there's probably different fish I would think on the cards, but this one is the ace, so pretty cool. I thought those were cute. I like those kind of little shaped cards, so, and I don't see them very often, so whenever I do see them I try to get them. This is a little toy that was put out by Subway. Not sure how old it is. I haven't found a date on here yet, and it's never been opened. There's a little hole right here, but it's never actually been opened and taken out of the package. But it's a little plastic giveaway toy that was apparently went with a kid's lunch, or it's called a kid's pack at Subway, and it's a little magnifying glass. And also I haven't been able to find a date on here either, but I thought it was cute, so I thought I'd get it for my shop. And then I found this little pack of Mickey Mouse or Disney little playing cards. You can see in my hand how small they are, like probably like 1.5, one with like 1 by 2 or less than 2, something like that. Anyway, they're really small. So that's in there. And I have another one of these that I have at home. So this one might go in my shop. I don't know. I haven't decided yet, but it looks like the plastic is still around the cards, like this has never been opened either. So I'm not opening it right now, but they're cute little playing cards. And this is a little set of playing cards, like a toy set for kids, made by Hallmark. It says Little Lulu. Here's a picture here on this side of the box. And this one I can open because I opened it last night. It was already open, but I opened it, and they're so cute. First of all, they all have this, it has all the same picture, but super cute little picture on here of little Lulu. And then this side is just, little playing cards with jokers, all colorful and cute. And then here's all the little playing cards. I guess they're upside down, but super, well, maybe not. Can't make up which way. I guess they go either way. Hello. But anyway, yeah. Super cute little cards, about the same size. Actually, these might be a little smaller than the Disney cards. Let me see. Yeah, they might be about the same size. Anyway, I thought they were super cute, and I got those, and haven't decided what I'm going to do with them yet. Whether I'm going to keep them or put them in my shop, but super cute. And I don't run across those very often, so I felt very fortunate to find those. And then I found this little toolbox. It's metal, all metal. It's a kid's little toy, toy toolbox for toy tools. It says tool chest with safe vinyl tools, busy box. Has this cute picture on it. And it just opens right here. Rubber-like tools, safe, soft, non-marking, Ohio art, it says in here. Cute little green box inside. And I just love metal boxes, so I felt very fortunate to find that too, because I don't find very many at a decent price. So I thought that was super cute. And then, so that was from yesterday. Today we went to Mount Dora Flea Market, or otherwise known as Renningers, on the antique side of it that has two sides. One like regular flea market, one antique side, and the regular side was not open today on Fridays. It's only open on Saturday and Sunday, but the antique part is open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So we went there, and this is what I got for free. 2 brochures. I didn't buy anything there. I did a little video of when we were walking around. I'm going to try to put that on, but you know, it was just a little blippy thing, a little blip. But I got this because of the map. It has a pretty map on it, and it's big, so I can't really get the whole thing in the frame here, but you get the idea. I thought these were cute, and I could use the cut, and they're colorful right here too. I like the colors, kind of artsy looking. So I got those for free. And then today we went, after that, because it didn't take very long at that flea market this morning, we went, my husband got back from his parents' house, and so we went to that flea market, Renningers, and then we went to several thrift stores, and this is all I got right here from about 5 thrift stores. Okay, so I got this one from one and this from another one. And guess how much this cost me? $1. That's all I spent. $1 on this. So this was 50 cents. Just some skinny rickracks. There's a burgundy, a red, and a yellow. Or this is not skinny, but the burgundy and the red are skinny. And then there's this yellow one here. You can probably see it. It's not skinny, but it was light yellow, and I thought that would come in handy. So I got that. And then in another one, these 2 packs of paper bags. And if you watch my videos, you know I have a thing for paper bags. So these were little bags, cute, pretty little bags. Look how cute. And they're paper bags, and there were these different colors. And so I got those for 2 bags for 50 cents. And I see the original price on here was $1.99 at the store, so felt like I got an awesome deal on some paper bags. And one more thing I have to share with you. Let me grab it. It is, if you saw my last video, you will have seen that I was flipping through some National Geographics. Well, my husband brought me these from his parents' house. So these might go in my shop, but there's a National Geographic from 1920. And I think that this one might be able to be copied if I wanted to copy it, you know, or scan it in and do digital copies of certain advertisements and things, because it's 1920. And then he brought me one from 1930, and look at the price per year. $3.50 per year, 50 cents a copy. And then the rest are from 1964. So these 2 that were really old are from my husband's grandfather had these, and then his mom had them, all these, you know, has had them for quite a few years. And then his parents had a subscription in 1964 and kept all the copies. So I'm not going to flip through them or anything, because I already did that flip through of the ones I found at a thrift store before I left to come down here. But anyway, I've got more now, so pretty excited about that. That was cool. And so that's my little video for today. I think that's all I have for you for today, except I have actually before I upload this one, I'll probably upload my Scrap Buster video of from yesterday when I work with my scraps. So anyway, I'll let you go. If I'm talking quiet, it's because everybody's quiet in the house right now. So I will see you next time, and happy crafting and happy thrifting.